Hello, I am Mario Grijalva, Director of the Tropical Disease Institute at the Ohio University College of Osteopathic Medicine, and Director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research at Catholic University of Ecuador.
¡Por nuestra labor!
¡Sin Chagas de Ecuador!
¡Otra vez! ¡Por nuestra labor!
¡Sin Chagas de Ecuador!
The Tropical Disease Research Project centers around Chagas disease. This disease affects between 8 and 10 million people in the Americas and between 200 and 300,000 people in Ecuador.
Each summer since 2001, a small army of international students and Ecuadorian professionals spend the season traveling to remote regions of Ecuador to combat the spread of Chagas disease.
Buen día para todos.
Trypanosoma cruzi, the parasite that causes Chagas disease, spreads via the chinchurro bug, a bug that is able to infect people while they sleep. But the disease does not strike right away. It takes decades after the parasite has entered the body before it begins to destroy internal organs, eventually causing a debilitating disease and often death in the prime of one's life to those who were infected as children.
Chagas is a silent disease. It's a disease that affects the poorest of the population in the developing countries of the Americas. This disease is extremely hard to diagnose and also is hard to treat. Therefore, it prefers to stay hidden.
Undergraduates with such diverse majors as biology, communication, and urban planning work side by side with graduate students, medical students, and the Tropical Disease Research Project staff in medical clinics created by local physicians and the Ecuadorian Ministry of Health. Here, everyone works together, combining their strengths and efforts to locate, identify, and eradicate Chagas disease wherever it may be.
This experience has been one of the most moving things I've ever done, I think. Mostly because there's so many different aspects to this project that allows us to see how modern medicine can affect rural cultures and really understanding what different parts of the world need in terms of being able to live healthier lives and better quality of lives. And so it's been wonderful to experience both the scientific side and the personal side, going into their houses and seeing all aspects of helping these people with this specific problem in South America.
We are combating Chagas disease with a multidisciplinary approach that involves entomological work, socioeconomical studies, clinical studies, and biological parasitological studies. This combined approach is needed to tackle a disease with such complexities as Chagas disease.
Using self-generated GPS maps of the Ecuadorian countryside, the Tropical Disease Research Project offers assistance to the Ministry of Health in targeting key communities to test for Chagas disease. Simultaneously, some teams inspect homes in the surrounding countryside for the chinchurro bug, while educational teams work in schools in the community to teach people in the most remote regions of Ecuador about the dangers of this parasite.
In the next 5 episodes, you will learn how the Tropical Disease Institute has conceived this project in order to be able to use the strengths of all the institutions involved, academic and public health, in order to combat this terrible and deadly disease.